how do I remove or replace the payment methods associated with my PrizePicks account. If you want to remove or replace the payment method that is currently associated with your PrizePicks account, maybe you want to change it or remove it. Now, for that, if I come to the help page, you can see PrizePicks says how you can remove or replace payment methods associated with your PrizePicks account. Now, first of all, you have to remove a payment method, or more importantly, you can remove a payment method only after 60 days have passed since your first deposit using that payment method. So if it's not been 60 days, you will not be able to remove it. Now you just have to log into your account on prizepicks.com or the app, and from there tap on the deposit opt button in the top right corner after you sign in. Then once you're on the deposits page, you should see a trash can icon. Just click on the icon to remove a payment method. If the trash can icon isn't there, that means you still need to wait for your 60-day waiting period to end. Now, you may only request to remove a payment method once in any calendar month and no more than 5 times across any 12-month span. For security reasons, PayPal does not permit you to remove your account as well. So I hope that this video helped you understand as to how you can remove or replace payment method associated and the guidelines and the deadlines to that as well. If you have got any further questions, feel free to leave them down. Thanks for watching, and as always, see you soon in the next video.